Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Lesson 3.5 Arrays and Partial Products. Let's go to page 120, next page, and read the example. A pet store bought 3 fish tanks to display different types of fish. Each tank holds the same amount of water. How much water will it take to fill all 3 tanks? How much each tank has amount of water? 245 gallons. Okay, so here today or on this lesson we will learn what is the arrays and what is the partial product. The partial product are products found by breaking one factor into ones, tens, hundreds, and so on, and then using the distributive property to multiply each of these by the other factor. Okay, the array is first. So what you show, 245 times each tank, 245 gallons. So 3 tanks, it means 245 times 3. These are the arrays, shows here 245. So each one of this represent 100. And this is also 100. This each one represent 10, and from this each one represent 1. So in this I have how much? 200. And how many tens? I have 4 tens and I have 5 ones. So it means 245. 245 times 3, he repeated 3 times. So this is the array. This is the array. Now let's find what is the partial product. Now we have to solve to know what using the partial product. 245 times 3. In the partial product, you can use place value to break factors apart and the distributive property to find the partial products. Here we have to multiply first 3 times 5 equals 15. Then 3 times not 4, this is actually 40 because in the tens place. 3 times 40, then 3 times 200. 3 times 5 equals 15. I have to make sure to put the 5 on the ones and the 1 on the tens. Then 3 times 40, 3 times 4 equals 12 with a 0, 120. Make sure to put the 0 under the ones, the 2 under the tens, and the 1 on the hundreds place. Then 3 times 200, 3 times 2 equals 6 with 2 zeros, 600. Make sure to put the 0, the first 0 under the ones, the 0, the second 0 under the tens, and the 6 under the hundreds. Then you start adding from the ones. 5 plus 0 equals to 5. 1 plus 2, then the tens, 1 plus 2 plus 0 equals to 3, and then the hundreds, 1 plus 6 equals to 7. So 245 times 3 equals to 735. For example, in question number 2, page 121, 124 times 2 equals 2. So 2 times 4, first of all, I have to multiply the 2 with the 4, then the 2, I go to the next line, then the 2 with the 20, then I go to the third line, and I put the product of 2 times 100. 2 times 4 equals to 8, then 2 times 20, 2 times 2 equals to 4, with a 0 equals to 40. Then 2 times 100 equals to 200. Then I add the partial products. 8 plus zeros equals to 8. Then 4 plus zeros equals to 4. Then 2 plus nothing equals to 2. So the final answer will be 248. 248.